If you're trying to figure out which platform is better for scalability, BigCommerce or Wix, you've come to the right place. Both are popular choices for businesses, but when it comes to growing a brand, which one stands out? Stick with me as we dive into what each platform has to offer, and I'll let you know which one I think really sets itself apart in terms of scalability for growing brands. First off, let's talk about BigCommerce. BigCommerce is designed with scalability in mind right from the start. It's built for businesses that want to expand quickly, offering robust features like multi-channel selling, advanced inventory management, and customizable product options. For growing brands, these features are crucial. As your brand scales, BigCommerce makes it easier to manage large inventories, integrate with major marketplaces like Amazon, and track performance through detailed analytics. Next thing, performance. BigCommerce is known for handling high-volume stores with ease. You can run a store with thousands of products without worrying about slow page speeds or downtime, which is essential for any growing brand that needs to handle more traffic and sales. On top of that, BigCommerce offers advanced SEO tools to help you rank higher and get more organic traffic. As your store grows, SEO becomes an even bigger deal, and BigCommerce is set up to help you dominate in search results. Now, let's switch gears to Wix. Wix, on the other hand, is more user-friendly, but scalability isn't always its strongest suit. It's great for startups or smaller brands, but as your business grows, you might find yourself hitting limitations. Wix does have a decent range of apps and integrations that can expand your store's functionality, but it can feel a bit restricted compared to BigCommerce in terms of customizing complex workflows or handling large catalogs of products. For businesses looking to scale massively, Wix might not offer the depth that BigCommerce does. The fourth thing to consider is pricing. BigCommerce starts at a higher price point, but it offers more features out of the box for larger brands. The platform's pricing scales up with your business, so you're paying for what you get. Wix is more affordable up front, but might become costly as you need more advanced features or want to add third-party apps. With Wix, you might end up paying more to get the tools you need as your business grows. Another important factor for scalability is support. BigCommerce offers 24/7 customer support, including a dedicated account manager for higher tier plans. This can be a game changer when you're managing a growing brand that needs constant assistance. Wix also offers good support, but it can be less tailored for businesses scaling fast. For a brand that's growing rapidly, having access to personalized support can make a big difference. Finally, let's talk about the future. Both BigCommerce and Wix are continuously improving and adding new features, but BigCommerce's focus on the e-commerce space means they're consistently releasing updates that cater to larger brands. Wix, while constantly innovating, is still more focused on the general website builder market. If scalability is your primary goal, BigCommerce is probably the better bet for the long haul. So, after trying both platforms myself, I can confidently say that while Wix and BigCommerce each have their strengths, BigCommerce is the clear winner when it comes to scalability for growing brands. But hey, if you're looking for an even better solution, one that can take your business even further, with more flexibility and better long-term growth potential, take advantage of the free trial linked below. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Don't miss out. Check it out and see how it can help you grow your brand even faster.